来重庆。
这个不是微微辣。
小面 ，Let's get it。
我在重庆。
Very sure。I like it.
It's damn cool. I have never seen something like this before. We're going to Chongqing!
Hey, how come we're not flying there?
Because right, our hotel is super near Chongqing big station. So might as well take train lor. But if train crowds not your thing, right, you can always fly domestic or fly direct from Singapore to Chongqing with Air China. See you in Chongqing. Goodbye.
Hey, where are 弟弟
There. The hotel's right there though.
Huh? Where? Can oh, but so hot, sia. A lot of gold.
Wow. Beautiful. Whoa. Beautiful bed. Wow, someone bedazzled this. I respect that. Very nice. I like. Something the
贵宾欢迎 Wow, bro, I cannot read the
something 有世界上所有的 something 下兰香。
别墅里面唱 K。Hehehe, waiting Chongqing 火锅。How people eat hotpot in this weather, say?
Then don't know, it's okay. Okay, so what's so special about Chongqing Hotpot? Why must eat now?
So Chongqing 火锅, right? They use the beef fat. That's why it's more fragrant and also spicier. Chengdu, they like to add a lot of peppercorn, so very ma. Yeah. So then they also have this 9-week thing, right?
就是重庆很多年前有纤夫拉船的，因为就是4个人不同的人来一起吃火锅，这2个格子属于其中1个人，然后这2个格子属于年，好，这2个格子属于年，然后这中间是公用的，公用就烫菜吃的。
42 degrees, having hotpot.
Let's put it to the test.
Okay, let's
Oh,
try,
wait,
let's
wait,
try.
wait. We got the Wei La, but then the owner tell us, from our accent, right, you should get Wei Wei La.
I hope she's right. I hope this is Wei lah. You see the amount of chili inside? You tell me whether Wei lah or not.
Cheers. Very young, but very 辣 very 辣这个不是微微辣
这个是微微辣
有一点辣
It's a nice spice.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
nice.
like I want to keep eating.
我们叫麻双双，这是姐姐，这是妹妹。我是厨子，妹妹是服务员，我们2姐妹一个主内一个主外。谢谢大家照顾。
I do think this is better than the Chengdu one. I might prefer Chongqing one. I feel like this is very Singaporean taste. The heavier 搞搞 浓浓 kind of 味道. You prefer Chengdu or Chongqing one?
I prefer this one,
Yeah.
but it's a bit spicy.
It's like you want to keep eating, but you can't.
Yeah.
So you need like pace yourself. Shall we order 10 ping?
Yes, let's get 10 ping,
Okay.
please.
Oh! It's tough. Very nice way to end the meal.
Oh, this is the meal ended.
All our flights, stays, attraction bookings, train tickets, and even our last-minute airport transfers were made on Trip.com. Truly your one-stop shop for everything travel.
Pro tip, use Changi Pay to pay like a local. Changi Pay has 0 transaction fees, a competitive exchange rate, and is accepted by Alipay and Alipay Plus merchants, which is literally everywhere in China. So just spend only. Easy. This is called 熨斗糕.
熨斗糕.
Yeah, so
okay.
熨斗 means iron in Chinese. Yeah, so iron cake.
It's like the appliance that is iron.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. Yeah, so it's made using fermented rice milk. So it'll be a bit chewy, a little bit sour. Yeah,
Okay.
correct,
Okay,
correct.
can.
Yeah, I got the Hong Dou Sha one. What you got?
I got 草莓, but I might have gotten the Yuan Wei one. They all look the same.
We try first?
Let's try.
Hey,
I like it.
I also like it.
Oh, very pleasant.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's actually not sour.
Yeah. It's very chewy, soft, like mochi a bit. You know what this reminds me of? Like in Singapore, you know Pasar Malam got the tapioca cake, the green color one?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. I
Oh my
love
god,
it.
this is really good.
It's tea time! Yo, where are we, Dixon?
So we are in a tea house. There's a lot of tea houses in China. This one in particular, the decor is like, ooh,
Right.
power.
I feel like it just goes to show how layered Chongqing is.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, are we on the rooftop?
I don't know, B1, half?
Half? Because got
Ground floor?
people walking here. We got a few desserts here and some 冷面because I feel like this is hotter than Singapore. We are like melting.
Yeah, dude, it's 42 degrees right now.
Let's try.
Dude, it's so good. Dude, the taste of the 辣椒 very 香.
All attractions, tickets, flights, accommodation on trip.com.
Wow, if you think Singapore hot, right, here is like 5 times worse. Tip for all Singaporeans, don't come here during summer.
We want to take public transport also cannot. That's why we are just TT all the way. We had Chongqing xiaomian in Jiuzhaigou and I'm very excited that we are here in Chongqing eating it authentically on the stools.
So 小面 actually refers to a very humble bowl of noodles, but super flavorful. It's a Chongqing staple. It doesn't mean that the bowl is small, the noodle is little, okay? It's actually super substantial. Yeah, we have the tomato one here today, and we also have the Tudou one.
You see a lot of 小面 stalls all around Chongqing, and usually they'll sit on this stool. They put the noodles on this stool, and they have an even lower stool to eat the noodles. Yeah.
Oh, the potato one is gao, shiok.
I like the tomato one. Wow, shiok, very easy to eat. Super light, not too gao.
Then got a little bit of spice. Just now they asked whether you want wei lah.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm a bit scared.
Devoured. My kind of noodles. Saucy, easy to eat. Shiok, must try Chongqing xiaomian. Must try.
We're eating Suancaiyu.
Yo, you ready to smash 4 kg of fish or not?
It's not 4 kg. Just now the owner said 4 斤. So kg is 公斤. Jing and 公斤 different one.
I didn't know they had this measurement in China. So interesting.
So in Chongqing, there's 2 types of fish you must eat, right? 烤鱼 and 酸菜鱼.
Yo, how come they pour the soup inside this?
So just now the owner say, right?
这是蘸碟，
沾碟.
对，蘸碟就是鱼加在里面吃。
Okay, let's try.
Shall
I'm
we?
curious. Oh, that's a big slice of fish, dude.
Yes, yeah. Dude, the fish is like so fresh. Dude, the bite is like toing toing one.
Yeah, it's very QQ. And they slaughtered the fish live. That's so nice, oh.
Thank you, fish. Thank you, fish. Interesting. You not count?
No, I'm not. I take up for the camera only, guys.
Actually, it works. In Suancaiyu, I think Malaysia will like.
It's actually quite good.
Yeah.
It's almost like a 猪杂汤 vibe.
Book your train tickets on trip.com. Wow, really cannot see. It's too damn hot, Grace.
Then you should bring us eat hotpot, huh?
Eh, but nice what? Not nice, man? You don't like the two sisters, man?
Nice.
What was your favorite food?
I would say the iron cake. Honestly, everything I ate in Chongqing, I like. This is the only city so far that I really like all the food slots that we
Oh,
hit.
really?
Even the
Okay.
coffee that we chance upon. What was your favorite non-food experience?
Wow, non-food experience has to be the TTs. Every time I step into the TT, the air condition just cools me down.
It's true though, it's true. I feel like if you want to come to Chongqing in the summer, right, you have to stay hydrated, get your sunblock on, and then wear good shoes because it's a whole lot of climbing. But
Yeah.
I will say, the 8D aspect doesn't look that impressive on picture, but once you're here and navigating the space, right, it's damn cool.
That's true, that's
Yeah.
true. It's quite cool.
I will come back.
You
Yeah.
come back?
I will come back.
You want to come back? Just book on trip, fly with Air China, pay with Changi Pay again.
Let us know down in the comments below what we should try next
Down?
in Chongqing.
Down? Which level down? B1? B2?
B1 ba?
B3? Oh, okay lah.